guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Abigail, aka Chocolate Abby. My friends over at Classique Luxury Lashes, they sent me these very gorgeous lashes for me to try out and tell them what I think about them. I thought, why not do a video and let you guys tell me which ones are your favorites. The styles they sent me were Boudoir, Saditi, Heiress, and Allusion. I'm gonna go and jump right into trying these lashes on and let you guys tell me what you think. I'm gonna start off with my favorite out of the set because I love dramatic lashes, and this one is the fluffiest. It's the Allusion lashes. Okay guys, so my camera started to trip in the middle of me recording this video and showing you guys these lashes styles, and it's saying that my memory card is full and I don't know why. So I decided to just hop on my phone and film the rest of this video for you guys. I hope the quality is gonna be really good because I will be so pissed. Anyway, I was trying on the lash style Allusion, and this is what it looks like. I really like it because it is so fluffy and dramatic, and it's my style. So yes, this is what Allusion looks like. Are you guys feeling it? Just leave your comments below and tell me if you would rock. I think this is from their 25mm collection. Okay, this style that I'm rocking right now, it's called Heiress. It's not as dramatic as the other one. For me, I would say this is like for a simple everyday kind of look. For all of you simple girls, this is definitely the style for you. But if you like drama like me, then you would prefer the other one that I wore just now, which I already forgot the name. But Heiress, it's kind of fluffy, but it's still a bit soft and, you know, kind of cute. Not as dramatic as the previous one I had on. I'm loving it. It's lightweight. I really don't feel like I have anything on my eyes. For those of you who are not accustomed to lashes, well, of course you're gonna feel awkward, but yeah, it feels very lightweight to me. I really love it. What do you guys think about this one? Comment below and let me know. Okay guys, so this style that I'm wearing now is called Saditi, and Saditi is cute. I'm kind of digging Saditi a lot. What do you guys think about this one? Saditi. Yes, so this is Saditi, if I'm pronouncing it right, Saditi. And I have one more pair to try on, and looking at that one, I can almost tell that that one is going to be my favorite, but I don't want to judge as yet. Let me try it on and tell you guys if I really like it. This is going to be the last pair that I'm trying on. Let me apologize for the technical difficulties that we experienced throughout this video. I'm gonna work on that for my other videos. I guess I was a little bit off my game because I have not recorded in such a long time, but I'll definitely work on it for the other videos. So this pair that I'm rocking right now, this one is called Boudoir, and Boudoir, I think it's my favorite one. I don't know if it's because I'm finished that I feel so relaxed, because I tried on so many lashes. Now that I'm at the last pair, my eyes kind of don't feel them at all, but I am really digging Boudoir. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, you guys tell me which one is your favorite out of the 4 lashes that I tried on. And if you are digging these lashes from Classique Mink, you can check out their website at www.classiqueminklashes.com. You can check them out there, and you can use your coupon code LOVEABBY and you guys will get a 15% discount, okay? Also, please follow them on Instagram. Their Instagram is Classique Mink Lashes. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Have a good one.